Well, friend, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing fantastically well. Is it okay to start talking about Christmas and all that? Of course. Yes, it is. Because in this video, we are going to use the brand new colors and glitters from the Elegance winter collection, Wish You Were Here. And funny enough, I'm actually sitting here right now wearing my flannel for one. So that's what we are starting out with, this fantastic dusty rose pink, almost like a nude, and going straight on to Worth Waiting For. This is one of my favorite colors in this collection. Just love that mix of blues and greens. So what I do here is that I am going to apply my base colors on all 5 fingers, and then I'm going to come back and I'm actually gonna do one more layer for each color just to make it pop, really. I mean, they are super pigmented, all these colors, but just to make them pop even more, I am going to add one more layer for each of these colors. As you can see right here, I am using the gel polish number 6 bling brush for all my colors and glitters. It is the best brush to use for colors and glitters. Anyways, going in here right now with pen pals and my nail art brushes, and here we are starting to create our little winter Christmas bear, and moving in with some white gel paint, coming in with the block brush. And this is actually why I named block brush, because you can kind of fill in sections of your nail art designs like blocks almost. Yeah, well, it is perfect for this. And this is also what I'm using to get that fluffy edge of the hat, whatever it's called. And continuing with the pen pal color gel for the rest of the hat, and coming in here with some black gel paint to create the details in the face. So we're creating the little nose, we're gonna create the little eyes, and then I use the white gel paint, cure in between of course, but I use the white gel paint to create that little shine on to, well, the nose and the top of the hat. Going in with Anxiously Awaiting, this amazing rosy, almost like rose gold, but more like copper brownish glitter. So pretty, and I thought that this would be perfect for our little winter bear. And here, coming in with the white gel paint one more time and just adding a little bit of details. Here I'm going in flat matte, and this is because I want to have a flat, well, a matte background, because I am going to add details using acrylic powder. But we're gonna come back to that a little bit later. Right here, I am using my stripy brush, and this color is actually a mix between Worth Waiting For and the white gel paint. So what I did is I just went ahead and mix it and until I have like the color I wanted. And then you can see I'm going ahead here and just adding the little stripes. So I want to have that checkered kind of flannel pattern. Don't remember right now what it is called, but you know what I mean. So yeah, coming in with some white and black stripes, and what you kind of want to do before you add your next layer of stripes with like the black and whites, sometimes you need to come in and clean the other lines, cleanse it, and then come in with a buffer to make it a little bit more flat before you add the next layer of lines. Because if they're a little too bumpy, you know, the next layer of lines are going to be bumpy. So that's why you want to do that. So I'm prepping the other nails with our same amazing flat matte. You know that I love flat matte. And then I come in here with the white gel paint, and I am going to create the snowflake. And honestly, I think this is my favorite snowflake that I've ever created in my entire nail career life. I don't know what it is about this nail like snowflake, but it is the prettiest one I have made. Definitely, it's so easy, but I just love the dots that are kind of included into it, and then, you know, the little whatever you want it to be like on top here. You have snow or stars, whatever. and then finishing that off with some clear acrylic powder. So going in, I'm gonna do the exact same thing for our little bear nail. And so just going over those little dots that I made, going over the little fluffy parts of the hat one more time, because here is where I want to put my acrylic powder. And if you didn't know, Elegance actually also do have an acrylic line called the Apex line. So they have well, all the basic products you need for acrylic. And then let's continue with the sweater. I just love this pattern. It's so pretty, and it was so easy using the swirly and coming in with the acrylic powder one more time. Also make sure that you are double curing your gel paint when you are doing this technique with acrylic powder, because we need a little bit more curing when we do this. So double cure, triple cure, whatever you got time for, just make sure that you cured a little bit more than you usually would. And I would say in general with gel paint, it never hurts to double cure the gel paint because it is so highly pigmented. We often do need a little bit of extra curing for that. And here is the final result. My little winter bear and the snowflake and the flannel pattern, we've got the stars and everything, could basically not be more Christmassy. I really love this design. It was actually easy to do, and I would love to see you guys try it out. Please tag me and Light Elegance in your pictures so that we can go in and like it and share it. This amazing must-have collection is actually out now at lightelegance.com and with the worldwide distributor, so go ahead and check that out. Also, don't forget that Light Elegance is HEMA-free, 9-free, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and vegan. And we do believe that what's inside matters. Have a fantastic November, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!